Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you step-by-step how to get Adobe Photoshop for free using the official free trial from Adobe. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just want to experiment with photo editing, this video will guide you through the process and make sure you avoid any unexpected charges. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access Photoshop safely and understand what happens after the trial ends, so you can make the most of those free days without worry. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to google.com. This is your starting point, and it makes searching for official downloads really easy. Now, in the search box, type Download Adobe Photoshop. This will pull up a bunch of different links, but here's an important tip. Always pick the official Adobe website. If you see ads or links that promise free Photoshop forever from non-Adobe sources, skip them. Sticking with Adobe keeps your computer safe, your account secure, and ensures you get the latest version of the software. So go ahead and select the link to Adobe's website. Once you're on Adobe's homepage, look for the button or banner that says Start Free Trial. This is usually front and center. Adobe really wants you to try their products, so it's easy to find. Click that and it'll take you to a page with several Adobe applications. Make sure to pick Photoshop itself, since Adobe offers trials for other software like Illustrator or Premiere Pro. Choosing Photoshop gets you access to the tools for photo editing, digital painting, and graphic design, the true heart of Adobe's creative suite. After you've selected Photoshop, click Continue. You'll notice Adobe walks you through a few pages. Just keep clicking Continue each time. It may feel a bit repetitive, but they're just confirming your choices and making sure you're getting the right product. You'll likely need to click Continue 3 times in total. If the website takes a moment to load at any step, don't worry, it's normal, especially if your internet is busy. Now, you'll be asked for your email address. This is necessary because Adobe ties your trial to an account. You can use your primary email, or if you're trying to avoid future marketing emails, consider using a secondary email address. After entering your email, Adobe prompts you for payment information, a credit card, or PayPal. Pause here for an important heads up. Even though the trial itself is free, Adobe will automatically charge you once that free period ends, unless you cancel. This is common for software trials, but it can catch people off guard. And some users have found that removing your card later isn't always straightforward. You may need to contact Adobe support directly if you want to get your card off your account. Here's a little trick. If you have an extra credit card that you don't use much or one that doesn't maintain a balance, consider using that for the trial. That way, if you forget to cancel, you're not risking your main funds or incurring unwanted charges. It's just a safe way to try before you buy. Once you've entered your info, you'll be able to download and install Photoshop instantly. Enjoy exploring all of Photoshop's powerful features: design, retouch, color correct, and so much more. And that's it. You've started your free trial of Photoshop, safely and confidently. Remember to set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't plan to keep using it. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions, maybe about other free trials or Photoshop features, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.